Hi guys again. Sorry for the inconvenience, uh, the convenience mistake that it happened. Some people the video will work with them. Some people I don't know why. In Firefox it's work with me and I could download it, but some people they couldn't download it. I don't know to be honest why. However, uh, let me. I download it now in my YouTube channel. I'm gonna give you the link. This is the first video called Make Mock Exam Java Year 1 Module 6, and I will put the second one. In this video, I've seen a little bit mistake. I'm gonna correct it now in this video. Sorry about that. The mistake was when I explain the array. Actually, I corrected in the first video, but I didn't mention that. I was thinking uh, the array when it's count with the second one. You remember here for the word length, you know, and you remember we should put quotation mark to make these things as string. Yeah, I mentioned that as the string is gonna start the program he gonna start uh, counting counting the string, but I was thinking he gonna count it by character, but this is was wrong. It's not by character and character, it's by uh, word, or is by anything between the quotation mark or between the comma, because this is not like our old examples, and that's why he gave us 4 when we run the program. He gave us 4, and as I explained that as well, you can see 4. Okay, uh, I will explain why for you, maybe because some people maybe you're gonna confuse like what happened with me, and the other things I told you as well in the first one here, when he gonna start uh, give us the what is that? He gonna keep adding the words together, and he gonna not gonna start character by character, but he gonna start word by word, like anything between the comma and anything between the quotation. And I counted as a 13 here, but it's not 13. It's gonna start with this and that and that and that. And anybody, if he understand more or he think I'm wrong, he can explain. He can prove me or explain to me as well. Okay. I'll explain why that happening in the string, because this is, I think, our first example. We had it as a string. All the exams we had it in week 9, week 10, week 8, week 7. It used to be numbers, and was the first one. That's why it's make me to make video for you to make it easy for you, and do example for string. And the string is, if you remember the SOP 21, I explained it at the beginning of that last video. This is the SOP 21. Basically what it's doing, I'm gonna run it again. He's gonna ask us to add 10 numbers, and he's gonna just sum the numbers. Yeah, he's gonna give us the sum of the numbers at the end. You can see, look. And I explained to you we can make two kind of array. This is the normal array, yeah, and this is array, but we assign the numbers by scanner. But in our example, in our mock exam, we are not going to assign it by scanner. We are gonna assign it by these codes, yeah, as I explained. let's go back here, and I'm gonna explain you furthermore the scanner how it's work. I've done the same one, the same this mock, sorry, the same this sub 21, but I'm gonna do it as string. You can see here, I add this one. Don't forget this one. You don't need it here, but I add it. Okay, I got purpose to add it here. We're gonna do it exactly, but what we're gonna change, every single things we got double in this example, we're gonna change it. Look, this double, this double, this double, this double. I think we're gonna change it to string. And to save the video and to save your time, I just make it straight away, and I just prepare it here. Like you can see exactly the same things, exactly it's here. And I add two scanner now. I'm gonna give you two examples. I add two scanners. This is first scanner, you remember MA, and this is the second scanner. I make a string. Sorry, this is a first array, this is a second array. I make it string. Look, everything string, 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 string. Be careful. This is the most important things. You make it string. What this scanner is gonna, what this program is gonna give? You're gonna add. Look, you're gonna add 10 words now. Just enter 10 words or number. Before we need to add 10 numbers. Yeah, I just change it a little bit. And the sum, I just keep the sum or the continent you gonna put it, or the sum, because we can't sum numbers, as you know. Look what's gonna happen now if we run this example. Enter 10 words or number. Look, I'm gonna make it words. I'm gonna make numbers with words. Look. Look what's happened. He gave me all of them together. Yeah, he doesn't sum it. If you remember in that example, we put z equals z plus blah blah blah. Okay, and look as here. Don't forget, when I print it, I put sum. I use the method sum for numbers. What is the numbers? Do you remember? What was the number? I'm asking you. The number is this string. Yeah, like I want to validate this method to this array. Okay, that's why I said to you, this number is not important. This name is not important, because he's smart enough and he's gonna understand. He's gonna swap the numbers by numbers. Okay, he's gonna know, because in here I explain everything. I'm gonna understand it. When I'm gonna tell him numbers, instead of this word, he's gonna add this word, because this word is here, and it's not important what you call it here. Okay, but when you call here something, you should put it here, and you put it here. Okay. And look, this example, he worked a scanner, but this one is not working yet. Yeah, it's not working. Look, I can change. Look, put anything between these things. Yeah, now I'm gonna run the first array. What I should do, system.out print okay, print and I gonna do something. I gonna concatenate or sum the numbers of sum the character and that array, the array called MA. Yeah, what I should write sum MA. Okay, guys, and let's run the program. The program he's gonna start with the first code. The first code, it was here, you know, the scanner. This scanner is gonna do this one first, and this one, because it's he should run the scanner, which is including 10 numbers. Yeah, that's why I need to add 10 numbers or character or anything, but he's gonna take it as a string. He's not gonna take it as a number. Okay, look, this is the first one. This is the first one, the one I just added these things. He just added together. But this one, what is it? This is my second array. Okay, this one is my second array. That means he add these things. Okay, I can say sum MA array. Okay, let's run it again. 10 numbers. Look, I can't write anything you want. Look, sum MA array. That means content, the second array. You're gonna give us, this is the first array, this is the second array. Now, let's think to do the length. Okay, do the length of the array. Here we say return sum. Yeah, instead of to return the sum, let's return the length of the array. But what we should write now? Okay, we should write, shouldn't write sum, we should write numbers. Okay, because this is the name of the array. Okay, this is the name of the method, don't confuse. Okay, this is the name of the array. It doesn't matter what is the name, as I told you, but in this figure we should keep it the same. Let's say numbers dot length. Okay, and we still got mistake. Do you understand why? Because I think now correct, because we need to put quotation mark to keep the program understand it as this length is not gonna be as a number, you know, because this one is a string, you know, because we use the string. Let's do it now. Let's put look, he count the number, and but he count the number, he make the count of the number exactly, and he give it as a 10, but this 10 he give it to us. After that he make it as a string. Yeah, that means he called us, we shouldn't say the sum, it's not sum but the length now. Yeah, because I changed it. Yeah, that means the length of the array now it's become, let's say length. Okay, let's make it more. Look, the length of array 10, because they are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's mean when he count, he don't care about how many numbers inside, because he take the whole things as a 1. Okay, he don't care if it's 6 FF or GGFF 55 or anything, he counted as a 1. And this was my mistake, because I was thinking you were gonna count every single things. No, but you know, he count the whole things as a 1. I hope you these videos it is useful to you and understandable, and see you guys. Bye bye.